Hello everyone, this is Greeshma. Welcome to our YouTube channel Grivya. So this is gonna be my first YouTube video on makeup and I wanted to keep it very simple and everyday kind of a look, so where you can wear this to office or colleges. Without any delay, let's go into the video. For moisturizer, I am using Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This is best for the ones who have oily skin, and I have very oily skin. I am applying this moisturizer all over the face and under my eyes as well to give even moisturization. I am using Nykaa Prep Me Prep Face Primer. This is a silicone based primer and is good to fill in your open pores and make the skin blur. I am rubbing it on my fingers and applying on my cheeks, nose, forehead and chin. Foundation is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 335 Classic Tan, and I am using Buff Buddy from the Drugstore Company to blend the foundation. I am applying a thin layer of foundation all over my face. Post this, you might see some dark spots through my foundation as the coverage is medium. I did not build up the foundation for heavy coverage because I was aiming for a simple look. Using the concealer from LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, applying this concealer under my eyes, around my mouth and on my dark spots as well. Using the same Buff Buddy, I am blending the concealer. To set my concealer and foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Medium Deep. Using the same Buff Buddy again, I am applying this under my eyes, on my nose and all over my face. I am using the Sugar Eyebrow Pencil to shape and fill my brows. My skin is seen through the eyebrow and I am really okay with it because I am keeping the look natural. Using the Faces Canada eyeliner for lining my upper lid and Plum Kajal on my waterline. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara for my upper and lower lashes. This is Maybelline Lip Sensational Liner in shade Rich Wine. I lost the sharpener which comes with this and that's the reason it's looking a little weird. Lipstick is again from Maybelline in shade Touch of Spice. Using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray to set my makeup. This is a finished look, guys, using foundation and a concealer for the base. That's it. I didn't use any contour or blush, so if you want to top it up with contour or a blush, you can, or a bronzer. It's your choice and an option. So this is my everyday kind of look. Let me know if you like it in the comment section below, and also please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel. If you have any questions, makeup related or skincare related, don't forget to mention in this comment section below. We will try to answer them in the next video or in the comment section itself. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.